Let's go. The ball cookie? What? Oh, easy. Big Gamma. Gotta go, girl. The bitches. I don't have bitches. But this is what I collection and the over the 19 mini collection. And wait. Ready? A party. And wait. So that part we don't know. I know why. An oyster though. All you were just recommending like one day. Nobody tell me I'm like wearing buddy shoes. For no reason in the yucky week. Disgusting. Ew. Ew. Stink. Ew. Ew. Well, I was staying on tipping. Oh, yeah, look at them. We're going to oysters. Oysters. I'm going to go to oysters for no reason. We're going to oysters. Why am I cooking grand oysters? I'm grand oysters. I did get some more. And you know why I'm still collecting stuff? Because I had to pick up one more shisha now. No, I should go up to Lusco Creek. The Lusco Creek has more fishes. And also is a beach. Also is a beach. It's a beach. And then we can blame me that it's not a beach because it's a fake. And then those seashells here. Cause only in beaches they only have seashells. And let's get some more boots. Cause I clicked as a pro. Pro. Cause I clicked Cause I get my pro skills here. Lychee. This is all. Am I going to see if I can? Goodbye. See ya.